Let's take a look at the chart action for Solana. Alright, so here's what we've been looking at on Solana. We've been watching this for a few videos now, and we had resistance right here, resistance, support, support, support. I was watching this triangle pattern pretty much, or possibly this flag pattern. And I was saying the first target would probably be from the top to the bottom of this triangle, drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of around 224, something like that. And it looks like we didn't quite hit that yet, but it looks like we're getting very, very close. In general, what I was also talking about is I really want to see us break this zone right here. This is the bodies, the top of the bodies of the top pretty much. And then we wicked up right here. That was the top. So let's do pretty much a horizontal red line right here, pretty much signifying the top. And we actually broke through, we wicked up and broke through that top right here, which I do like. That's a good signal in my opinion. Like I was talking about, if we could break through this red line pretty good with some momentum, if we hit this target and start breaking through that, then I think we can get even more confident and maybe start targeting from the top to the bottom of this flag pattern, something like that. We target the bottom of the pull to the top of the pull. I just do it kind of straightened out right here. We could drag it like this, but it's pretty much the same target. I would say just drag it. Just start it where the trend starts, maybe somewhere in this area. Try it out on your own chart. And what I would do is drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 318. Right now we're still at 214. If we do a percentage calculator, that is around 48% still, which is not too shabby. So the other thing I was looking at is we also have declining volume, and then we got a breakout with green candles. So you can see right here, you can see those green candles breaking out. I would like to see them continue and to be a little bit higher, but this is pretty decent signal. I do like how we had declining volume and then we got the green candles and now they're spiking up. They're higher than this area right here, that's for sure. I would like to see some big green candles like these ones. We're getting more like these ones, but if we could start seeing more spikes, then that's another confirmation. Maybe if we could break out of this red zone, it'll be a signal for the bulls to continue to head up. I do like the way this chart is though. What I did was I did a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. When we started getting resistance over here, I put in dollar cost average at 50 and 38%. These levels right here. And once we started breaking out over here, I pretty much just started staking the whole thing on Kraken. I think Kraken's giving me 6% APY, so pretty good. And then I think it's gonna go up, so I just really wanted to not have to touch it. I don't even want to trade this. I'm just gonna hold it for a while, see if I can earn some more with Kraken, and then yeah, just have a little nest egg of Solana. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree with this bull flag pattern. If you're brand new to technical analysis in crypto, here's a couple of videos that you might want to watch. Some of the videos on how to get started on trading and how to read charts and stuff like that. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button.